Hello everyone, Namaskar, and it's great to have you all back again. Summers and salads are almost like a match made in heaven. Temperatures here in Houston have been above hundreds, and these temperatures have been definitely calling for more salads at home. Today I will be sharing my 3 favorite salad recipes made by using 3 different kinds of melons. So if you're looking to cool off from a scorching day, jump on in and let's get rolling. My first salad is using the winter melon. It's great for digestion and cardiovascular health. I am going to start off by scraping off the seeds first, and then I will peel the skin using a knife. Next, I am slicing them into pieces and then grating them using a grater. Since melons are known to be high in their water content, it makes them a perfect ingredient for salads. This is a recipe that I learned from my mother-in-law and have been thoroughly enjoying it. Once it's all grated, I am going to squeeze out all the excess water. This will help the salad from becoming too runny. After the water has been thoroughly squeezed out, I am going to add in some homemade yogurt, about 6 scoops of it, and mixing this all together. You can add more yogurt depending on how you like the consistency to be. Then seasoning it with some salt and pepper. I also like to add some grated ginger in. My mother-in-law does not do this, but I like the flavor that it gives. And finally, some good old Indian vibe, aka the Tadka. For this, I'm heating a tablespoon of oil. To this, I'm adding some mustard seeds, good old Indian curry leaves, and a dried red chilli. Once it splutters, I will add this into the salad and give it a good mix, and this salad is ready to be served. You can make the salad without the tadka, but I enjoy it with the Indian twist. This salad is definitely not a dish by itself, but makes a perfect side. My second salad is using the watermelon. It's known to reduce high blood pressure and reduces risk of any kidney disorders. I am going to start by slicing them and chopping them into cube-sized pieces. To this, I am going to add a drizzle of olive oil, a teaspoon of balsamic vinegar, and then season it with some salt and pepper. I am going to give this a quick toss and then add my favorite ingredient to this salad, which is the Bocconcini cheese. It is mozzarella but made from the milk of water buffalo. I was introduced to this cheese back home in India, and it has been my staple to use it with this salad always. Give this a quick toss again, and that is pretty much it for this easy, light and refreshing salad. My third salad is using the musk melon or cantaloupe, known for maintaining skin structure and also reducing constipation. Here I am peeling the skin off using a peeler and then scraping off the seeds. Then, with the help of a melon baller, I am making melon balls. It's a great tool to use to give variety to the salad in the form of a shape. I'm not great at this, but I love using it to change it up a little once in a while. Then I'm cutting the avocado into small cubes. For all those who are new to this combination of muskmelon and avocado, trust me, even I never knew this combination for a salad until I had this at a restaurant back home. Hooked onto it ever since. For cutting the avocados, I have this handy tool that makes it super easy to chop them, slice them, or even pit them for that matter. Once all the chopped avocado goes into the bowl, it's time for the dressing. For this, I will be using a tablespoon of olive oil, a good squeeze of lemon juice, a pinch of salt and a little honey. Mix this all together and toss it into the bowl, and finally give this salad a good mix, and it's ready to be served again. Whether it's a side or a meal by itself, there's, I think, nothing like a fresh salad on a hot summer day. Melons are refreshing in itself, and we've been enjoying digging into these crispy and cool salads with a little bit of twist in them. I hope you enjoyed all of these, and thank you all so much for watching. As always, like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I shall see you real soon in my next one.